In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello to create a study plan and timetable. Trello is an incredibly versatile tool that can help you organize your subjects and tasks to ensure efficient study sessions. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the URL trello.com. Once you're there, search for the Ultimate Study Planner board, which is typically shared for easy customization. If you haven't used Trello before, you might find it useful to familiarize yourself with the layout. The main parts are the lists and cards, which you will use to organize your subjects and topics. Now, to personalize this template to suit your needs, look for the three dots, also known as the More menu, located in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This menu gives you various options to modify the board settings. From the drop-down, select Copy Board. By doing this, you're essentially making your own editable version of the study planner, while the original remains unchanged. After clicking Copy Board, you'll see a pop-up window prompting you to name your board. Be creative here, give it a name that reflects your study mission or the semester you're focusing on. This naming step will keep your study plan organized and distinguishable amongst other boards. Next, you'll need to choose the workspace for your new board. If you don't have one yet, you'll be prompted to create one. Workspaces are great for organizing boards related to specific projects or purposes, such as personal study, group projects, or different school terms. Once you have selected your workspace, click on Create. This action finalizes the copying process, and voila! You have your personalized study planner ready to fill in with your academic subjects and tasks. Now let's get your subjects in place. Navigate to the list titles and begin editing them to align with your current subjects. Click into one of the list titles, type the subject name, and hit enter. You can add as many subjects as you need based on your schedule or course load. With all your subjects lined up, it's time to dive into the cards within these lists. Click on a card to open it. Here, you'll change the card name to reflect the specific topic you are focusing on within a subject. This makes each card actionable for your everyday study sessions. Within this card view, you can also edit the content to add key points that you need to remember or work on for that topic. You might add bullet points on things like readings, exam preparation, or assignment details. This is where Trello shines by allowing you to tailor your study needs specifically. Be sure after making these edits to click Save to keep all your updates intact. Saving your work ensures that all your inputs are secure and you can easily mark them off as you progress through your studies. And there you have it, a customized Trello board that will keep you organized and on track with your study goals. Happy studying, and remember, organization is key to maintaining focus and achieving academic success.